Students, this is first exercise of inverse trigonometric functions. So already I solved two examples and I will give three of homework. Same examples. Find the principal value of. So here there are 10 examples. One example is over in that concept. So here these 10 examples are solving. There are two methods. Either by previous class we solved that method, or by using property method. Is clear that? So I can solve two methods. Is clear that? Here example example 2, example 3, example 7 are having positive values. Cos inverse of root 3 by 2, cosec inverse of 2 and sec inverse of 2 by 3. In these two examples, directly we can write. No property. Is clear that? I can solve second one. Second one example, cos inverse of root 3 divided by 2. Okay? That is positive angle. Let us consider same as usual. Cos inverse of root 3 divided by 2 is equal to y as it is, and same cos y is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Cos y equal to root 3 divided by 2. We know that, same procedure, we know that the principal branch value of cos inverse is closed interval 0 to pi. That's why in which angle cos the value is root 3 by 2. Already we know that cos of y is nothing but cos of root 3 by 2 is nothing but 30 degree. Is clear that? Cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Thus, this implies that cos inverse of root 3d divided by 2 equal to pi by 6. The cos function shifted to right hand side will get cos inverse of root 3 by 2 equal to pi by 6. Already we solved this type of examples. The principal branch value is pi divided by 6. Or directly we can solve this example in only positive angles. That means cos inverse of root 3 divided by 2 is equal to, in which angle the value of cos is root 3 by 2. In which angle the value of root 3, the value of in which angle the value of cos will be root 3 by 2. That is pi by 6. Directly we can write. This is also one more question. So student, clear that positive angles are come. The cos inverse of root 3 by 2. This example is nothing but in which angle the cos value is root 3 by 2, that is pi by 6. This method or this method. Is clear that, students? So next example number 3 are there. That is also very easy example. That is your homework. Example number 7 is also your homework. Is clear that? Very simple example in a positive section. Then we'll come for negative of the angles. Negative of the angles. So I can take example number 1. Already we know that property sine inverse. There are property number 3. What is that? Sine inverse of minus x is equal to minus sine inverse of x. Okay, first I can follow two methods. Then we'll solve only direct method. I can take ninth example. What is that? Your ninth example? I think ninth example already done. We can take another example like cos inverse of 1 by 2. That is fifth example. Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse of minus 1 divided by 2. Let us consider, as usual, your first procedure. Let us consider cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to y, or cos inverse shifted to right hand side, cos y is equal to minus 1 by 2, or cos y is equal to minus cos. In which angle the value of cos is 1 by 2? Pi divided by 3. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2, or cos y is equal to cos of pi minus pi by 3. Why? Because cos of 180 minus theta is nothing but minus cos theta. We know that because the principal branch value of cos inverse is closed interval 0 to pi. That's why we choose the value of cos is nothing but, that is cos of 2 pi divided by 3. That is positive angle. Thus 2 pi by 3 belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. That's why cos of 2 pi divided by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2, or cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 pi divided by 3, that belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. This is your principal value branch of this trigonometric angle. Is clear? This is one method. Or another method. We know that in cos angle, cos inverse of minus x is nothing but pi minus cos inverse x. Pi minus cos inverse x. So same, keep as it is. This implies that, this is another method. This implies that cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. X is nothing but 1 by 2. Direct formula is there, property number 3. In the property number in that slot. Okay, here then cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 equal to pi minus, what is the value of cos inverse of 1 by 2? In which angle the value of cos is 1 by 2? Pi divided by 3. 60 degree. That is equal to 2 pi divided by 3 is the answer. Very simple method it is. In a negative angle, there are properties are there. Sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse of x. Sin inverse, tan inverse and cosec inverse of minus x are nothing but minus of that angle. Cos inverse, sec inverse and cosec inverse are nothing but pi minus of that angles. Is clear? Very simple. 1 mark question. There is no necessity for solving this type of lengthy exam. Directly we can solve. Just this is 1 mark question. Direct answer with right 2 pi by 3. Is clear there? Okay, note down. Next I can solve another example. Another one example by using property only. What is that? First one, very simple. Sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. We know that sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. Already we know that the property in terms of sin. So that's why in this example, this implies that sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 equal to minus sin inverse of 1 divided by 2. That is equal to minus sin inverse of 1 by 2 is nothing but in which angle the value of in which angle the value of 1 by 2 is in this angle. in which angle the value of in which angle the value 1 by 2 is in sine. That is nothing but pi divided by 6. In which angle the value of 1 by 2 is pi by 6. Directly we can, this is the principal value branch. Okay, that is all. I can take another one. Fifth one is also over. Another one I can take. This is cot inverse of, we'll take minus 3. Cot inverse of minus 3. Then answer should be eighth one. Cot inverse of minus root 3. Cot inverse of minus root 3. Is clear that? Same, we know that. Directly, we know that cot inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Cos, cot and sec r, pi minus of that angle. Then this implies that cot inverse of minus root 3 is equal to pi minus cot inverse of root 3 is equal to pi minus. In which angle the value of root in which angle the value of root 3? What is that? Cot inverse of root 3 is nothing but pi divided by 6 equal to pi divided by 6. Is clear that, students? That is principal value of cot inverse of root 3. In which angle the value of cot will be root 3? In which angle the value of cot will be root 3? That is directly. So same like as that is also your homework. Do that work, and that is also. So this is over, and ninth one is also. Let me explain once again. Direct by using property, this is very easy. Sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Sin inverse of minus x equal to minus sin inverse of x. Sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Is nothing but minus, keep as the same. In which angle the value of sin is 1 by 2? In which angle the value of sin is 1 by 2? That is pi by 6. That's all. Same as property. Cot inverse is nothing but pi minus cot inverse of x. In which angle the value of root 3? In which angle the value of cot root 3 is pi by 6. Right? There, this is the principal value of the inverse trigonometric functions. Let me clear that. Either there are two methods, either by solving by using principal branch value or by using property. The property examples are very simple. By using properties, the examples are very simple. Is clear that? These are the exercise 2.1 example. So make note of this, and the remaining examples are yours. Okay. Next, find the value of, wait down, second one. Find the value of in that first one. Find the value of in that first one. Tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of 1 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. The value of, very simple. Tan inverse of 1, we know that tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4 directly. Or let it be explained. What is that? tan pi by 4 equal to 1. Already we know that. So tan angle shifted to that side. There's nothing but pi by 4 equal to tan inverse of 1. Then we'll write directly tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4. In which angle the value of tan is 1? In which angle the value of tan is 1? Pi by 4. Directly we can write. And cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is nothing but, already we know that, pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Property, cos inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. That is equal to pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2 is nothing but pi by 3. That is equal to 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Next, again sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. And lastly, sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to, sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 equal to minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin inverse of minus x equal to minus sin inverse of x. That is equal to minus the value of sin inverse of 1 by 2 is nothing but, in which angle the value of sin is 1 by 2? Pi divided by 6. Okay? Put all the values first, second, third in this step. That is equal to tan inverse of 1 is equal to, what is that? Tan inverse of 1 equal to pi by 4 plus tan inverse cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 plus sin inverse of 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but minus pi by 6. Take LCM. 3, 4, 6 is nothing but 12 is the LCM. Multiply by 3 4s are, multiply by 4, multiply by 2. So 3 pi, 4 2s are 8 pi minus 2 pi. That is equal to 3 pi plus 8 pi, 11 pi, 11 pi minus 2 pi, 9 pi by 12. 9 pi by 12 is nothing but cancellation. 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 pi divided by 4 is the answer. By using principal value, solve this type of examples. Is clear that, students? Right. And another one is there, that is your homework. And second one is your homework. So I can write this example. Cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 into sin inverse of 1 by 2. 2 into sin inverse of 1 divided by 2. Same. Cos inverse of 1 by 2. We know that by using principal value branch. Keep 2 as it is, put the value of sin inverse of 1 by 2. You got answer. Is clear that? So this is all about first exercise, trigonometric function. Okay, and there are 2 CET questions are there. I can write 13th one. I think CET question. If sin inverse of x equal to y, if sin inverse of x is equal to y, then option A. What is that option A? Y lies between 0 to pi. Y lies between 0 to pi. Option B, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Option C, 0 is less than y is less than pi, lies between 0 to pi. And option D, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, open bracket. Y lies between open bracket minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So see that, students, in this this is a range of y is nothing but a range of inverse trigonometric function. What is the range of sin inverse x? Right, sin inverse of x equal to y. It is nothing but X is the domain, then Y is the range. Sine inverse of X is equal to Y. So then Y is nothing but range. So in sine, the Y lies between the range of sine inverse of X is this one. The range of sine inverse of X. So Y is nothing but range. Y is nothing but range. So the range of sine inverse X is B. Is clear there? Okay. Next, another question is there. CET is, that is also CET. That is also CET question. Tan inverse of root 3. Tan inverse of root 3 plus minus tan sec inverse of minus 2 sec inverse of minus 2 is option A pi, option B minus pi by 3, option C pi by 3, option D 2 pi by 3. This is a very easy example. Directly we will solve example. Let us consider tan root 3 minus sec inverse of minus 2. The value of tan root 3 already we know that. The value of tan root 3 is pi divided by 3. Tan 60 degree is nothing but in which angle the value of tan is root 3? In which angle the value of tan is root 3? Pi by 3. Okay? Minus. Already we know that sec inverse of minus 2 is nothing but we know that sec inverse of minus 6 equal to pi minus sec inverse of x. Use that property. That is that angle sec inverse of minus 2 equal to pi minus sec inverse of 2. Pi minus sec inverse of 2 is nothing but 5. In which angle the value of sec is 2? In which angle the value of sec is 2? Cos 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree is nothing but 1 by 2. Reciprocal. Sec 2 is nothing but pi by 3. So sec 60 degree is nothing but 2. That is nothing but in which angle the value of sec is 2? That is pi by 3. That is equal to 2 pi by 3. What is the value of this one? 2 pi by 3. LCM is same. 3 is the LCM. Then pi minus 2 pi is equal to minus pi by 3 is answer. Option B. Is clear that? So students, this is very easy exercise. So we already studied what is the principal values. Here in this example, principal values are very important. By using property, we solve the principal value. That is very easy process. Students, this is all about first exercise. Then next class we'll discuss the second exercise. Okay? Thank you.